Hello and welcome. My name is Philip. I'm a ProcessWorks Senior Safety Advisor. Did you know that on the 31st of March, a new WorkSafe regulation comes into effect? If your workplace exposes a person to hazardous noise, you must understand what these changes might mean to your business. To help prevent hearing loss in the workplace, employers must provide hearing tests, also known as audiometric tests, to workers who frequently use hearing protection to control exposure to hazardous noise levels. You will be required to provide a baseline hearing test within 3 months of the worker starting their employment, and a follow-up test at least every 2 years. For your current employees, they will have to have their first test conducted within the first 2-year period. Hearing tests are conducted by a trained person, such as an audiologist, using specialist equipment. For more information on how to comply, call your ProcessWorks advisor. You can also read the WorkSafe Code of Practice, Managing Noise and Preventing Hearing Loss at Work. Thank you and have a safe day.